Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling switch control so the system can respond to external or on-screen inputs. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Switch Control, turn the toggle on right away. Once done, make sure to add at least one switch. Choose External for a Bluetooth device or screen for tapping and gestures. You'll be prompted to confirm, accept that. This gives you the baseline input source, which is essential before customizing scanning, timing, and recipes. Next, you configure how items are scanned and selected. This controls speed and usability. Go to Scanning Style and pick Auto or Manual. Auto cycles automatically, manual waits for your switch press. Then fine-tune scanning speed, auto scanning time, and hold duration so selections match your reaction time. Once comfortable, create recipes to map a switch to actions like Home, Siri, or custom gestures. These changes optimize workflow and reduce fatigue, so test each tweak and observe how it feels. Finally, you'll use switch control in daily tasks and learn its flow by practicing pause, menu, and item controls. Start with simple navigation: home, select, and back, then add gestures. If a switch stops working, check Bluetooth connections, batteries, and that accessibility has required permissions. Also toggle the switch control setting off and on. If problems persist, restart your device or reset switch control settings. One quick troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.